What's up, guys? We're back. Today we're finally starting body work. Maybe. Blind. The goal today is to try and get the body kit primered so I can start straightening it out. So we've started already. I put a little more fiberglass in the corners of this from what we did last time, and it's all ready for now. We're gonna put some body filler in, kind of strengthen this. I already did the side skirt, so it looks pretty good. It's ready for primer, and yeah, so let's get to body filling this and see what happens. Oh, I forgot to move
You know, keep recording that.
I live in a neighborhood full of Asians, and we like to watch them park. Since we cut the bumper and like modified it, I'm using the short strand stuff to try and add some strength, and then after we prime it, we'll use the lightweight. But I've only done this once, so we'll see what happens. Should be enough. Gonna need more. We're done. Put the filler on and sanded it smooth, and so this is where it's at. It's not perfect, but it's not supposed to be yet. So really just wanted to fill like all our fiberglass work. So now the body kit's gonna get scuffed. I think we're gonna, whatever I have, 220, 240, whatever I got, I can't remember. Well, we're gonna scuff everything on the body kit, and then we'll build a little makeshift booth, and then we'll get some primer on these, and then see where we feel like doing after that. But lunch is on the way, so we're gonna take a little break.
So everything's prepped.
Yeah, everything is scuffed and blown off. We just gotta wax and grease remove it, but we're gonna mask my garage off. Oh, food was real, man.
So Chris is out of the garage. We're gonna try to make something work over here.
Alright, so we got the first coat of primer on. It's okay, there's some issues, but it's just primer, so we'll sand it out. But we're going to do this next coat and see where we're at. But it's going okay. I haven't used Huey's gun, it's fancy. It sprays nice, I guess, I don't know. Alright.
Let me take out. So Justin did one coat of the primer on the skirts. Look alright. I mean, I think these came out better than the bumpers. So let's mix it up one more batch. And yeah, we got this one to do, and then the front bumper, right?
Yeah.
Quick, before Justin covers this in primer, we want to show you the repair from the bumper. If you watched last episode, you kind of know what we did. So this is what it looks like right before we start painting it. Anything else you want to add?
First corner grains, I'm destroying it, so you'll have a bigger dip next time.
we're done.
Yeah, so everything's primed. I think we were having an issue. We're not sure, but I think maybe the paint was drying in the gun. So I don't think this is as heavy a second coat, but I did spray it twice, so it probably evens out. But honestly, I think this looks the best, which is probably, I guess, makes sense. The last piece we paint, but yeah. So
Mine's always the last piece I paint comes out the worst because I'm like not as detailed, but yeah.
I'm just trying to figure it out.
Cool. So we just clean up and yeah.
Probably should.
Let's clean this stuff up before all the paint dries.
Yeah.
We'll
All
go
right,
back.
We're back. We're all done, cleaned up. We mounted the rear bumper just to see what it looks like, and I think it looks pretty good. Not bad, I think, for my first time, really. Yeah. So I think we're done for today. Plan now is to just start doing body work on the rest of the car, then hopefully we can prime next weekend. But
the rest of the car.
Yeah.
The rest of the car. Yeah.
And yeah, that's it for now. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.